Hey everyone, it's Jared here with Heat Press Nation, and today I'm going to show you how to customize this awesome SubliCraft plated handle sublimation mug. Before we get started, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you want to catch more content from us here at Heat Press Nation, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell while you're at it. Now the very first step is to create your design in any graphic design software and then send it to print on your sublimation printer. For an in-depth look on how to use SubliCraft's Print Manager, check out the link in the description. All right, so we're just gonna get started with our SubliCraft plated handle sublimation mug. As you can see here, I already have my printed transfer. This was done on the Sawgrass SG500. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna trim it down so I can, place it better on my mug. You don't wanna trim right to the edge. And this, I'm not the best person at cutting straight anyways. So, you can leave a little space, maybe about like a quarter, eighth of an inch on the side. And let's see if I can get this one a little neater. There we go. Oh, that one's pretty. Now this is a full bleed transfer. So as you're gonna see in a minute, part of the graphic that we've printed is gonna be sticking out past, and I do want these sides to be even so I can line it up better. So let's try this. Yeah, part of the graphic on top and bottom is gonna be sticking out past our mug. So the easiest way that I found to make sure that these are aligned with the face and to make sure that everything's nice and straight is to just hold the mug right about so. And I'm gonna do like a really kind of loose placement. What I'm looking for is I wanna make sure that the handle is equidistant, I think is the word, from either side. So it looks to be pretty centered right there. Once I have that placement, now I'm gonna look at the top and at the bottom and just make sure that it's nice and straight. We can make any adjustments we need to. And you should have just as much ink sticking out on top as you do on the bottom. That's how you can make sure that everything is centered. Everything looks good to go, so what I'm gonna do here, a little bit of heat tape. There we go, let's see. Sorry, you guys need to see what I'm doing, right? A little bit of heat tape on this side. It's okay if it's sticking out past. And then what you wanna do is you wanna make sure that this transfer is pulled nice and tight over the surface. So what I usually do is I'll get it and kind of with my thumb just move it over. Make sure that this transfer is nice and tight over the surface. You don't want any gaps or bubbles anywhere. It has to be tight. And then with another piece of heat tape, I'm just gonna, another thing you can do is you can actually put the tape on the paper first, pull it tight, and we're actually good to go. Ready to rock and roll. All right, so we're gonna use our HPN Signature Series mug press to customize this plated handle sublimation mug. Now this is a full bleed transfer, so you can see we got a little bit of paper sticking out on top and bottom. And because I don't want that transfer to shift, I will be placing it on its side like so. But anyways, time and temperature are set, 385 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 seconds on the clock. I did adjust my pressure before getting here, so we're ready to go. Gonna slide it in like so. Now you do want to make sure that the mug is centered when you're heat pressing it. You want the mug to be centered in the middle, horizontally, and then also you want the handle to be centered between the edges of the mug press. If it's touching one of the edges, it could actually break off. So be careful with that. 190 seconds on the clock, let's do this. All right, so that's time for our plated handle mug. I'm gonna carefully open this up here. And that's done. Now again, because we have a little bit of paper sticking out, I'm not gonna sit it down because I don't want that transfer to shift. I'm just gonna place it on its side to cool down before our big peel and reveal. Okay, so here we have our silver plated handle sublimation mug for our big peel and reveal, and I don't get cute with it. I just go for it, right, Oh, that looks fantastic. That cool kind of chromy design, complemented by, of course, the not chrome. Well, it looks a little chrome. Silver plated handle. Yeah, that looks great, man. For more information on these awesome new sublimation blanks and our other sublimation products, please visit our website at heatpressnation.com. To get in touch with the My Expert representative, visit support.heatpressnation.com. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.